Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Cadbury Caramel Egg Cookies. Let's begin. To start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your butter, your light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar, and beat everything together until it's lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. This normally takes around 5 to 7 minutes, give or take. It all depends on how soft and room temperature all of your ingredients are. So just beat until it's lighter and fluffier. It's really an important stage in this recipe. Once you've achieved light and fluffy, you can then go ahead and add in the egg, one at a time, beating well in between each addition. And don't forget to mix well in between, as you don't want to scramble or curdle the mixture. Add in your vanilla and mix until fully incorporated. Now is the perfect time to give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any ingredients that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can there go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, pass them through a sieve first if you find your mixture is a little lumpy. Don't forget to add in the filling, so I'm using chocolate chips and these mini fudge pieces, and mix until a dough forms, being careful not to over mix the dough at this point. You just want it to come together and form, maybe mix for a little bit longer but not too long. Then you can go ahead and take a scoop and take one big scoop of the cookie dough and just make a hole in the middle, so you're spreading it out so you've got a little indent in the middle. And I like to fill that with some caramel, and this is just to enhance that caramel flavour that you'll get from the egg. So you'll get the gooiness of the egg, which is filled with caramel, and then the centre of these cookies also have caramel in. Roll it all up and then place it onto your baking tray. You can flatten it out a little bit if you find, but I find that it's perfect if you leave it in a ball shape and it'll spread the perfect amount in the right temperature oven. Repeat this stage until you have a whole tray of cookies. So depending on the size of your tray, you can get 4 to 6 if you're using the normal standard home size baking tins. I like to sometimes, for this recipe, roll in my cookie dough balls in the remaining chocolate chip and fudge pieces, as they'd go to waste otherwise. So I just roll them in that so you've got more of that flavour there. Bake them off in the oven. I will leave all that information in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So here are what they look like once they're out of the oven. They've spread the perfect amount. Go ahead and place on half of a Cadbury caramel egg and just press it in to secure it in place. And repeat this for all of your cookies. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.